If you're seeing Epic Games Error II-E1003, that usually means the launcher is having trouble with a download or installation. The good news is that this is often fixed by clearing the Epic Games Launcher cache, and in this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. This is a quick fix, it's free, and it's one of the first things you should try before going into more advanced troubleshooting. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, you need to completely close the Epic Games Launcher. Don't just minimize it, because if it's still running in the background, the cache may not clear properly. If needed, press Ctrl, Shift, and S to open Task Manager. Then look for any process related to Epic Games Launcher and end the task so it is fully shut down. Once that's done, press the Windows key and the R key on your keyboard at the same time. This will open the Run box. In the Run box, type %local AppData %, and then press Enter. That will take you to your local AppData folder, where Windows stores temporary files and application data. Now, inside that folder, look for the Epic Games Launcher folder and open it. It may take a moment to find, so take your time and make sure you open the exact folder. Inside that folder, find the Webcache folder. This is the cache folder that often causes launch and installation errors when it becomes corrupted. Right-click the Webcache folder and delete it. If you see multiple cache folders with similar names, focus on the one named Webcache. After deleting it, close File Explorer. Now restart the Epic Games Launcher. When it starts again, it will rebuild the cache automatically, and in many cases, that is enough to fix error IE1-003. If the problem was caused by a corrupted cache or a temporary launcher issue, this should clear it up and let your downloads or installations continue normally. If you still run into trouble after this, you may want to restart your computer and try again. But for most users, deleting the launcher cache solves the issue. So to recap, fully close Epic Games Launcher, open Run with Windows key plus R, type %local AppData %, open Epic Games Launcher, delete the Webcache folder, and then relaunch the app. That's it. You've now learned how to fix Epic Games Error IE1-003, the fast and easy way. If this helped, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more helpful fixes and tutorials.